Albert Amoah Agogo. Ebja pensa me jampo.
Richard Pepe shall read the fellow man.
Albert Amoah Agogo no me no ka say o free agent. Na mbeka kire wache. Mbeka chom say Albert Amoah na a loan and ASANTE Kotoko ekwaje no from Al Agli Benghazi. After say Kotoko eton Albert Amoah. Na Kotoko sale of Albert Amoah the date me show zaman for be fida. It was an hour after say work a share Kotoko 6 5 or 5-1. So after some ball Kotoko 5-1 ewo Morocco hono. 1 hour time and a Kotoko a day announcement a buy. Announcement written in JT nyina say one my branch and did Albert Amoah no. O ma transfer no e dia koma Al Agli Benghazi. Albert Amoah ko no coach na o ma be fa no anche e no mpam coach no. Na sankofo no $200,000, $250, $300, $400, $500,000 no. Et said they ha Kotoko a top player 300 million the following season all pam no. Normal. Has he top player or signing player for 40,000 Ghana cedis. Now me transfer na me just be penny say kwa cut Ghana transfers na. Me more Ghana cedis ni bi me say na is kama. Say can 40,000 Ghana cedis $4,000. Now go to player $4,000 na say when the mama now Jan kwa say nya. Sana go for so far no so the 300,000, 400,000, 500,000 be top player. Now ba no antima mono mu ja kwa ya. E te say the house na Kotoko to be 30,000 mu ja kwa za krona. E na go for no say Albert no on person wo so. Now okaya me ye exclusively minya opanya ono eda team Agli Benghazi no as the sporting director. And I'm in the komo. And I'm be confirm me say Albert Amoah ne Agli Benghazi any contract beam. We story o search be 2 months ago. Sure. O come page on akọ search. Ana nim say post to Akoma Sports TikTok page akọ search about the baby 2 months ago. And I'm yes, our story say Albert any contract will be. In fact, Albert Amoah was compensated go for 2 years ka at the cancel contract no done as here. And Albert bebo months na academy ASANTE Kotoko me ball league ni wie. Albert Bafo from the first game Kotoko Basket Holy Stars. Akwani shego bia buzapanyi. On the edge of the penalty box. No J ball down bi ni nanum kakra. Sew na ball that time. Oh Albert na ba no. Albert aba ampa Agogo na aba no. But kakra no be ball na nshada nko yesa because the entire Kotoko team no more struggle buzapanyi. And the season ba wi na ba twa man for na dwiri so say Albert Amoah no onye Kotoko player biem. Na Kotoko pena they must open negotiations with Albert. Some make us some Mediama Sporting Club. A pencil Albert Amoah din at the tour for CAF Champions League. Sure. Maybe catch us 2 clubs be a Eastern Europe and 1 club sorry, but Eastern Europe, Eastern Africa. Eastern Africa. And 1 every Southern Africa. Or my expressing interest there. One ever sign Albert Amoah and no ayejuma.
Nice one.
I'm the person example.
Richard Pepe shall read the fellow man.
ASANTE Kotoko Fonso reporter. Coaches na ye juma ni ja hono kire say. Albert no on any day. Se Kotoko bet me afana. Or ye an option for ASANTE Kotoko on any day. If Kotoko ever first striker, it is ASANTE Kotoko Fonso nkomodie no. The name Albert Amoah Agogo. Ebjapanyi edimu tinti my pa.
Fantastic.
Eno ana transfer window ya bie. Albert Amoah no kwan nya so sign contract at the club of his choice.
Yes.
Ni edin komo ni ahwesa ASANTE Kotoko ye still interested in Albert Amoah no ana. Kotoko does interest in Albert Amoah ana. Ebjapanyi example. Ampa yen komodie no ASANTE Kotoko one sporting director Stanley Menzo, the sporting director for ASANTE Kotoko, Stanley Menzo, were okay Albert Amoah for ASANTE Kotoko.
Nice one.
But then okay, sir, or you could go play and ya okay, nice what you say, only team. Albert Amoah says, see, I can on signing and from a club.
Okay.
Albert according come on, baby. Ebi atwa maso ka che nipa ne se oh se obetena Ghana dia ti komoni yipa abetamu ase se obetena Ghana dia ene na ASANTE Kotoko na
Wow.
ene obebo. If I will still play in the Ghana Premier League for the season 2026-2027, then it will be my ASANTE Kotoko. Sano can say my ASANTE Kotoko na mebo.
Okay.
Na say Albert all Ghanaian clubs no afrim. Na nyam ho become din komo ekowura mu ewo Takwa no. Midiema Sporting Club mikowura mu ewo Takwa no Japan.
Yes sir.
Midiema for awe say omunya Albert Amoah. Wanum awe say Albert nkomudi omne di ye no. Se Albert na ebe tra Ghana mpade a ene Albert na obebo ASANTE Kotoko no
Ne Kotoko na
ene obebo ano ne nkomo a mihuram ewo eho a meko ekodi ye. So the ball is firmly in the court of ASANTE Kotoko.
Okay.
Nemom deals na fiamono ne eba na bujapanyi ano ohye de chain. How much Kotoko were paying Albert Amoah previously? Ebia me kaze store na banam ye ni say ya. Sabi we betra be bia kaze pepe. O da bo pe contract ma Albert Amoah. Metimba bia ya Albert. Ne contract so ya. Na Kotoko for ne kaze say na me kan ho asem. But we yan komo Kotoko adie. Albert Amoah komo akodi na matibie na me pone dia ma wo.
We original fella man.
Na de minim ne de mete ya ne se Albert Amoah sika na Kotoko de man dadan de wo mo de no aba abusu panyi enya de Albert Amoah ebesom afutuo bia ko de ama Albert Amoah se sika na obaka kwaji wa abonte no onse ni age ne nkwani mu bebrebe na Albert Ghana Premier League no Manchester ankofo nim obebo half season at my Accra Great Olympics half season from a swim kwa bibrim obo half season wiye no and obo ASANTE Kotoko bebo full season.
Okay.
The second season and obo half was anko Jabetamu no Ghana Premier League experience Japan incredible bebrebe sa oni experience bebrebe sa and to be to Abetamu for sanko baya on certain no more a season or two. No, we are the big doors will open. So the biya me catch up Japan. Player bia team fufuro bia e peno. Not team fufuro e ready. So be fan outside of Ghana bia player no on tena kuruma. Agroni edin ha no anya de e ma player tena. It is a player ni nya na dwene say aduru sika. Agent reba of fan and the clubs are willing to pay yes can the sign player. So $5,000 and 58,000 Ghana cedis. So $5,000 na ko bua no dia ko sign player no. So $5,000 na club be ready to pay monthly. Enti sa ASANTE ko company for omo interest no person mo actionize no. Na enioma kwa ni mo bisapanyi between any weekendi eso homa Albert Amoah a concrete offer.
Wow.
And yes, our agents are closing in. Me see two teams Eastern Africa. Mame more Kenya and Kenya. Deal back with Kenya.
Wow.
And now Southern Africa. Agent Baku pushy. Sir Ode Albert Iberum Tanzania. South Africa for no clubs and any convinced. Omunya Albert Emeye, dear friends, observation, training and observation.
Okay.
abetamon ne kam profane so omo boro saade no so enti se company for ampani ampani nuane ampa womani abreso ombefa abetamo a ese ni manim ye free na ekwa akosi se na watwi be kona wie ye de abusia ese kotoko offer ekodi abeto ye concrete offer because Stanley Menzo the sporting director having watched Albert videos any new nyina no wa okay say this is a striker you be here for our project abusia pay some jam
Richard Pepe is already the fella man.
has no more aye slow transfer market na sika ni ho ɛno na meka kyerɛ sɛ his royal highness was sign check no ɛde ama the MD Ben Emuna abusa panyi
Yes, sir.
ɛsɛ ka mo bɔ mi kom like kakai hi me has a bat sɛ kakai
That is why.
sɛ nkrɔfoɔ nkɔmɔ mo adi asi wɔn has di ne nan butu nkɔmɔ no
Phobia.
player on na kasa wie a sɛ o ya wie na has de ne nan sɛ no de butu ade because has kura dollars abusa panyi
Also dollar that's it.
ɔmo kura dollars
That is why.
abusa panyi sɛ mɛkyampo
Richard Pepe is already the fella man.
wonim sɛ Accra House of Folk na eche dogli meka kyerɛ sɛ kɔtɔkɔ ehwiehwia ho kɔtɔkɔ amfa concrete offer bi ankɔ Midiama edi kan contacted Pondo out of Lions club to club agreement done club to player that is Midiama any eche dogli edi nkɔmɔ kwakyire na ɛsɛ ka eche dogli weekend de twa mu nkɔ watakwa abusua de meeting nie
Nice one.
phobia for no abawura eche dogli edi no mu eche dogli ni deal no the Continental Club Masters glorious Accra House of Folk beautiful people with beautiful colors omo bawura deal no
Hey,
omo bawura
the original fella man.
ama Albert eche dogli no ase ja wo bada be sanda be ozo bacho be bachina enti da be o se china
Wow.
se Midiama for tra ho ama na wotwi etwam awieye etwam na se eche dogli ema ya eche dogli bezapanyi ordinary be chirim ewo the Continental Club Masters
Wow.
dogli eche abuzapanyi sabe champo
Richard Pepe is already the fella man.
me no be di kwadwo antwi ehon nkomo se we enye the music man enye the maestro kwadwo antwi
Yes.
we ye kwadwo antwi a osi akan edema club a ye fe ne se the baby United the baby United a o say 17 goals and we have 5 assists 22 goals involvement in yasa 22 am the prince of jumbo kwadwanji odi wani chirem ewo club na ni din ade the baby a o ma name a price of 150,000 Ghana cedis
Okay.
has ne first club odi hu nkomo has it tra ma Kotoko aduana Gold Stars Midiama ebesa omo ho abapanya akwada no afutu obi akwa ma ne se Kotoko no pressure ne has pressure ne kebe ya konya timba pressure ni obi eko ball 1 year or 2 years Premier League experience na fe ede ne bekwa bonti ana se oba be wuram ewo Kotoko ne has later nke beboa no as a boy now ya buy into that but has the folk after the check no every his royal highness oba dem zapanyi has the folk say obiama kwam wamo every ya ko de baby na de baby on kwa 2 players na has epe 2
Wow.
2 players phobia akarisika so mo de ko omo di kwadwantwi won komo no ebeduru baby has offer 80,000 Ghana cedis. The baby for about 120,000 from 150.
Okay.
And will be every second has assumed that somebody 100,000 kwa for the budget, which is $10,000. And go for as other teams are bound to the penny 100,000 now. Nanka has bad 3 weeks ago, 4 weeks ago has the Koyan Gombejino. Metro has the 100,000 Ghana cedis and your dollars 100,000 Ghana cedis, which is $10,000. A little under $10,000 in a car. Sisi yanko for inso.
Wow.
Omunso. They want more because suitors not those first night has on kwa. Kotoko dasugu so consider. Midiama interested, Adriana interested, Gold Stars interested. eti kojo entry of the baby United no o de 100,000 Ghana cedis less than $10,000 ne kwa abusuanya de a wonom ebeso sa sika no
Okay.
Hearts of Oak any goalkeeper Agbasi e wo meeting na sasa kwa the announcement raba say Watara acquired the technical director de Hearts of Oak. And as the technical director of Accra Hearts of Oak no catch them panyifo no say 3 players ambebo mudi obetima mo must stay house. David Opafra ne contract ewu.
Yes.
Calvin Osesi be the contract. Aka na kakra bi na ewu na emum 1 year extension bi shim me ba be discuss sa ade.
Nice one.
Solomon Agbasi and has any professional contract bia. But Watara o kaisa meka cho so on board chairman hia no. And you do on the board chairman di nkomo no. Na ba ko ne say on the sango for the be stay.
Okay.
Abzapanyi player Kevin Osesibe ne contract no aka na kakra bi na ewu. And the woman say 1 year possible contract extension.
Okay.
Now no meaning say at the instance of the club and I say at the instance of the two parties because okay shall can there na Accra Lions for Sunday cry about phone so ma can say or more 1 year possible extension my activity.
Yeah.
Ya ko hwem na wom so mumienu na betra se.
I come to
Manchester mo sign bi. Barca no mo sign bi. Aya na at the instance of the club say yeah pa. You be activate 1 year.
Yeah.
But the activate e be our salary no e be free say akoze ya can't order that. Tia no mo nka nche no de o ma ya so maka just activate clause no. Minim say si be de at the instance of Hearts of Oak as a club then they can activate.
Okay.
Say at the instance of the two parties obi the $5,000 $6,000 contract actually a branch here one more than amana kusia kan wa bonten it be dem has but has technical director say omunya ima no.
Okay.
Showdown talks movie be showdown in Tokyo. Agbasi ene ofre Watara papa prekope. When you said the name bu pay no. Ye ne surgery wie na Watara gina theater gate wa first people mko hu branch after the surgery na Watara kan obi.
Wow.
On no was special relationship.
Fantastic.
But a branch na ka kire Watara say, papa me call Black Stars na some mo ka to masum ne say some your first choice goalkeeper e o me club and ka 3 goalkeepers na come work up no $100,000 come GB. Now still, my catch us in your team. I'm here regular. I'll be a member of the Black Stars. So me, I want to be a member of the Black Stars. Men ka say, Mungo pam mi senior. I'm going to friend senior prekope. So Asari wa me minyam na meda. Asari niwa me na meda. Moto Asari. Anasa Asari be stay there papa. Men so me de me carry na be fa before. Na makwa first choice. Sa talks na bujapanyi enanumre. Ebe koso between Hearts of Oak technical director Abubakar Watara and goalkeeper the Solomon Agbasi. Sa talks no ebe koso. Abuja pesa be jump.
Richard Pepe shall raise the fella man.
And 7 Dawson.
Original.
And 7 Dawson. Na Matisse Eche Dogly dia no. Heart of Lions for no iron tem akolosu di no.
Wow.
Said enough phobia for no batse kakai no.
Wow.
Heart of Lions for no. Ya na akwane pekakra ka ho. Initially House of Oak were adamant. Na has nyana is what be ka ho. But omo dia ka ho. Abuja pesa be jambo.
Richard Pepe shall raise the fella man.
Goalkeeper Benjamin Asari to Saudi Pro League team Damak FC. Saudi Pro League. Na say see am just as a house for yes akofu so omo de omu ntwabo bi antu goalkeeper so omo ga so omo ton. Hey. Mon ga so omo ton say. Damak for bon e Pro League ni mo. Oh na me nya so say omo de deal no ba house because dey bi omo ma Asari ngo. Benjamin Asari to the Saudi Pro League. Abujanke a deal anka be boa pa.
Sure.
A deal anka be boa pa. Yeah, he say e bitimi abaso. Ansa me diema for no abujama ka to say onom ahu kakra di. So who's a medium Chris come with your business now? Omoton Taylor, Kevin and Kroma. Say, see, I'm no say. Young fan to just Salim Adams. Ya catches a deal, you know, $300,000 bako, and no free Sudan. $200,000 bako, and no free Tanzania. Moses Parker so up $400,000. Asan Ojai Salim Amanako. A Sifi CEO Edma Club FM medium. I confirm say 2 players with your maton. And a Salim Dian Omo consider. And Osandria to just said Derek Fojo a contract a baby. Derek Fojo Asafu boy said Derek Fojo.
Okay.
It was a free agent. A brand of Comamimu, see a coba, Derek Fojo, Kotoko, Derek Fojo, a baby. Abuja Penny, Same a champo.
The original